Child in Need Institute is an international humanitarian organization aimed at promoting sustainable development in health, nutrition, education, and protection of child, adolescent, and women in need. CINI is headquartered in Kolkata and was founded by pediatrician Dr. Shomir Choudhury in 1974. CINI has been involved in several major community development projects in India, driving at the underlying social causes of poverty, primarily focusing on the issues of health, nutrition, education, and protection of children and mothers. CINI Community Initiatives, or CINCOM, is a sister organization of the Child in Need Institute, CINI. It is a Section 25 not-for-profit company registered under the Companies Act 1956, India. CINCOM has the dual mission of creating community-centric social venture opportunities that can strengthen CINI's mission of sustainable development in health, nutrition, education, and protection for the community. As reflected in her logo, CINCOM works towards healthy growing of the underprivileged society through solutions that would also create livelihood opportunities for the community. CINCOM believes in co-creating solutions with institutional and non-institutional value partners with innovative solutions which are fit enough to be integrated to the national level development programs, resulting in sustainable impact. CINCOM presently leads an integrated solution towards proper nutrition for the underprivileged community. CINI Nutrimix is the primary product born out of a scientific conviction deeply rooted into the Indian social context. The history of the product tends back since its invention during the period of late 70s by Sister Pauline Prince, an Australian nutritionist, and Dr. Shomir Choudhury, a pediatrician from AIIMS and founder of CINI. The philosophy of CINI Nutrimix is to support the fight against malnutrition amongst vulnerable segment. The objective is also strengthening the government through nutrition support projects like ICDS by serving the beneficiary at the bottom of the pyramid. This ignites the inspiration for development and distributing the same. CINI Community Initiatives offers inexpensive natural products with nutrients that fulfill main and supplementary diet requirements. CINI Nutrimix is a holistic food supplement designed to be applicable for people belonging from diverse age groups. It has undergone a range of development to make the product more and more appropriate for the beneficiaries. Regular research and development is ongoing for new product designing for community-specific needs. CINI Nutrimix comes with rice flour variant and wheat flour variant. Rice flour variant is designed for an individual suffering from celiac disease. Further, CINI Nutrimix is available with options of sugarless variant, semi-sweet applicable for people suffering from diabetes. CINI Nutrimix is an organic mix of multigrain ingredients containing no added preservatives. Variants of CINI Nutrimix are also manufactured with assorted nature-identical flavors and designed premix micronutrients added to the base. CINI Nutrimix is a calorie-dense mix of cereals, pulses, and sugar. It is processed and blended with double fortified salts and portions of vitamins and minerals premix. This fortification optimizes the product and makes it an appropriate consumable for patients ailing from malnutrition and its associated diseases. Only FSSAI permitted nature-identical flavors are added. It contains no added preservatives. Absence of any added animal proteins makes the product culturally acceptable widely. It is prepared in a safe and hygienic environment to increase the shelf life naturally. FSSAI license is printed on each pack of the product, which ensures its safety. Regular testing is done at NABL accredited labs to ensure batch level quality. CINI Nutrimix, being a ready-to-cook product, can be prepared and consumed in form of Nutrimix Sharbat or Nutrimix Porridge, which is an easy, less time-consuming recipe of the product. CINI Nutrimix is a low-cost, highly nutritious, ready-to-cook product. It is our mission to make the product vastly available at inexpensive prices. Each packet of CINI Nutrimix contains details of the ingredients, one basic recipe, and the nutritional elements imbued in the product, with information of batch number and manufacturing date. We at CINI Community Initiatives pledge to eradicate malnutrition. and touch the lives of the people in the community for a brighter future and hope achieve our goals.